In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix table in Microsoft Word. If you've ever pasted data or edited a table only to find that some rows are too tall or a few columns are oddly narrow, this quick method will make everything look clean and consistent again. We're focusing on evening out the size of rows and columns across your entire table using Word's built-in tools, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by clicking anywhere inside the table you want to fix. This tells Word you're working with a table and reveals the special table tools at the top of the window. To make sure the adjustments apply uniformly, select the whole table. The fastest way is to hover near the top left corner of the table until you see the table move handle, then click it. You can also drag your mouse across all the cells if that's easier. The key is to have the entire table highlighted so the changes affect every row and column together. With the table fully selected, look at the ribbon at the top. Under Table Tools, click the Layout tab. This is the layout specifically for tables, not the general page layout. If you don't see it, double-check that your table is selected. The Layout tab only appears when a table is active. Now you're ready to smooth everything out. First, click Distribute Rows. This command evens the height of all the rows in your selection so each row is the same size. It's especially helpful if some cells got stretched by extra line breaks or pasted content. After that, click Distribute Columns. This evens the width of all the columns so each column is consistent. As soon as you apply these two commands, your table should snap into a balanced, professional layout. A few quick notes to keep expectations clear. Distribute rows and distribute columns work within the total space your table already occupies, so they won't change the overall table width or push it past page margins. If your table includes merged cells, distribution respects those merges and spaces the remaining cells evenly. Also, if you only needed to correct either rows or columns, you can click just the one you need. But when you want a table that looks uniform across the board, using both is the simplest approach. That's all there is to it. Select the whole table, go to the Layout tab under Table Tools, click Distribute Rows, then click Distribute Columns. Your table will look neat, balanced, and ready to share.